Hey friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So in today's video I will show you how I make this protein treatment for hair. Just watch this video. Welcome back guys. This is what we'll be needing for this protein mask. We'll be needing 2 eggs, honey, pure honey, and my conditioner. You can use any conditioner of your choice, and olive oil, and also my measuring cup and spoon. So now we'll just mix everything together. Eggs support hair growth and also have abundance of protein, which serve as nutrition to boost hair growth, restrict hair loss. Egg also help in making the hair follicles stronger, enhance hair elasticity, and improve texture. I will just mix them together, and now I will just keep that one aside and measure 2 teaspoons of honey. Honey is a natural conditioner and also moisturizes dry hair, increases shine and stimulates growth, fights unwanted dandruff on our hair. So now I will just measure 2 tablespoons of honey into the egg. So now I will just measure 2 tablespoons of olive oil. Olive oil is high in monounsaturated essential fatty acid and vitamin E, so it helps prevent split and gives your hair shine and strength, and also treats dandruff and promote hair growth. So now I will just add half cup of my conditioner. The conditioner will add more moisture to the hair, so that I'm adding half cup of my conditioner, and then I'll just mix everything together. So now I will just transfer it into my applicator bottle to make it easy for me to apply it into my hair. So you have to shake it very well. My hair is a little bit, it's not too dry, but dry. So I'm just going to define the hair and apply it into different parts. I will be leaving it like this, applying the mixture in it like that. I like to leave my hair on protective style because it helps me retain length. So I will just be applying this protein treatment on my hair like that. So you have to be generous with it, because if there is any remainder you should throw it away. So just be generous with the treatment and apply everything into your hair. So I'll be massaging this session and the rest of moisture is all over my hair, but I'm still going to apply it so not to waste any of the product. Because if there is any remainder, I'm still going to throw it away. So I'll just apply everything inside. So while you are applying it, you find any hair that is tangled on the tip, you just gently remove it so it won't cause any damage on the hair. So this is what the hair looked like later. Everything is well saturated with the product. So now I'm just going to divide my hair into section so yeah, this is my hair after everything. So when you are applying yours, please just put something to cover your clothes, because I really messed up my clothes right here, and I'm still applying it just because there is still remainder in the bottle. So after applying everything into your hair, now I will just cover with my nylon. And then my shower cap. Just cover everything so it will heat up. So now I'll be leaving the hair to sit for 1 hour. Yeah, this is after 1 hour. I later use another cloth to cover it to make it heat very well. So now I'm going to wash it out. So if you are washing it out, don't use hot water or warm water, use cold water so the egg in it will not cook on your hair. So use cold water to wash it out and then use your shampoo and conditioner. So this is my hair after the wash. So my hair really feels good. So now I'm just going to apply my leave-in shea cream that I made. I will be posting this video of this shea cream very soon, so stay tuned, hit the notification bell to get notified when I post this video. So this shea cream really helped my hair. As you can see on my hair, I have new growth under my hair, and it also helped me on my edges, and also rice water. I will still post that rice water video very soon, so stay tuned for this shea cream and rice water. And also the onion and ginger juice and oil I made before also helped my scalp really well. I'll link the video in my description box, so you go watch it if you have not watched it before. Thank you guys for watching this video. If you are new in my channel, please hit that subscribe button and give this video a thumbs up. Thank you guys, bye, and I will see you in my next video. That word have I hid in my heart, that I might not sin against thee. Psalm 119 verse 11.